Boys, I'm out here trying to avoid you getting rejected. See, when it comes to your style, you wear the right pieces, you're gonna be grabbing the right attention. However, women, they're particular. There's certain pieces that we wear that in our heads, we think, yo, we look good. Like this looks, like I feel handsome, but really women think it's ugly. Women kind of hate it. So today, I'm gonna show you the 6 pieces so you avoid them in your wardrobe. Number 1, skin tight jeans. I'm talking your jeggings. I'm talking your jeans that look like leggings. Boys, there's no reason why we should be seeing your muscle and your package print. It's uncomfortable. If your jeans look like they were bought in the women's section, it's a bad play. Not only are they just out of style, you look uncomfortable. And let's be real, mano a mano here. It's uncomfortable, bro. When it's hot out there, when it starts getting musty down there, you just don't want to be wearing that. Look, nowadays, I've already told you, go for a straight cut denim. It's going to be so much better. You're going to allow more airflow. It's going to look more in style. And you overall will just look more attractive. Number 2. The Chelsea boot. Look, I am to blame here, all right? Put all the blame on me. Look, I pumped the Chelsea boots hard 2017, 2018, shoot, even 2019, and I have to apologize. I think we went a little too overboard. Look, there's nothing intrinsically wrong with the Chelsea boot other than it's just played out. Look, every guy and their mother, this is their going out shoe. So now when you go out with your Chelsea boot thinking you look good, you just look like the masses, and you already know. I'm out here trying to get you to stand out. I'm out here trying to get you to be the difference. So when you enter rooms, you're the one that's noticed. So I'm not telling you to get rid of your Chelsea boot. I'm telling you to bring in a replacement. I'm telling you to bring in something to switch it up. One of my favorite boots, a combat boot, a lace-up. These are classic, they're timeless, just like the Chelsea boot. You'll be able to wear it 4 or 5 years in the future if it's a solid one. But here's the good part. When you enter a party, when you enter a room, you're not gonna see another 6 dudes wearing the same shoe. 3, painted nails. Now, before I hop into this, I do wanna do a quick pause and just do a massive thank you. We just had a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale this weekend, and it was the greatest thing that's ever happened to the company. This year alone, boys, well, today, it's not only my birthday, but the numbers just came in. We did almost 300,000 orders. 300,000 orders. This year alone shipped out to you guys. It's insane. So we want to do a gift. We talked about it. I got your feedback. We're doing the Everything Free store. All our 4 stores will have a limited amount of product, anywhere from 5 to 10,000 units per store, all zeroed out. So everything's free. All you got to do is pay for your shipping because, you know, for that much product, you probably would go broke. So all you gotta do is pay for shipping, and the cool part is that it's gonna be a secret. So it's gonna be fair to everybody. All you gotta do is click the link down below. All 4 stores are there. Essentials, Jade Black, Heat Grooming in Santa Lucia. All you gotta do is go there and sign up to our email and text newsletter, because at some time today in my birthday, I will be sending out the email blast and text message blast. You're going to want to be part of that list. That way it's fair for everyone. As soon as that goes in, you have to go in there, because I promise you, this will probably sell out in like 2 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie. But if you're signed up, especially with text message, you have a good chance to be one of the first guys there. So boys, as a big thank you, as a big Christmas gift from us to you guys, we're putting our entire stores for free. And if you want to get notified, it's going to happen today. Sign up to all our email and text messages list. All you got to do is click the link down below to all 4 stores. But back to painted nails. Look, I know it's trending, but let's be real here. You're not Harry Styles, and you're not Bad Bunny. You don't have their clout, you don't have their money, and you don't have their influence. And while yes, women will simp over these men, when it comes to regular folks like you and I, it's just gonna look weird. It's gonna make you look like an outcast. In reality, it ain't gonna help your numbers with girls, bro. For the high volume hairstyle, I feel like this is like the 2014 kit, the skinny jeans, the Chelsea boots, and the high volume hairstyle. All of that gotta go. Like it has to go, bro. You look like Jimmy Neutron. You look like you got whipped cream on your head. It just makes no sense. It doesn't look natural. I actually just did a whole video on hairstyles that are popular in right now for next year that I would suggest for you to watch. But if you're still rocking that super high volume queef, yeah, you're gonna have to switch it up. For 5, the deep V-necks. I retired these from my wardrobe about 2 years ago, boys, and there's no looking back. I love a crew neck, but V-necks with sweaters, V-necks with t-shirts, while I did love them in the past, I'm gonna be honest with you, they're just kind of out of style. And the problem is that they got ruined by the douchebag. They got ruined by the dude that would grab like this super deep V that you could almost see a nipple. Yeah, it just came uncomfortable. It got associated with the douchebag crowd, and now getting a nice crew neck, it's more timeless, it's gonna look way better. Finally, number 6, showing your undergarments. And I'm talking about 2 here in specific. One, when guys wear wife beaters as if it's an outer layer. Wife beaters, you have to understand, these are designed as undergarments. They're supposed to be an undershirt to protect your main shirt from sweat, but many guys walk around as if this is a main shirt. You just look bad. Number 2, it's your boxers. If your pants are sagging and I can see your underwear, I promise you, women hate that. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out and sign up to all our store's email and text list. That email's going out today. Everything will be free. You're not going to want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.